Now we are starting with new chapter, chapter number 3, general. Now sir, what is general? To understand that thing, first of all, we are clearing our chapter number 1 as well as chapter number 2. In chapter number 1, introduction of accounting, in which we have already seen many things related to account. Going ahead, in chapter number 2, most important thing, the types of account. Most important thing is types of account. This personal, impersonal, types of transactions, economic transaction, non-economic transactions. If it is economic transaction, then it is recorded and we are thinking ahead. Personal account, receiver, giver, impersonal account, real and nominal. In real comes in, goes out. In nominal, expense, loss, income, gain. This all the things done in last lectures. Chapter number 1 as well as chapter number 2. Now, as per my instruction in last lectures, this is the most important one for doing any type of account. Any type of account, I can do all the things very easily on this basis. And that's what today Kamal sir is going to take this general on which basis? This rules basis. And that's why this rules is called golden rules. So now by using this all rules, we can write journal entry. Here we are talking about journal. Now what is journal? Journal is fundamental book, basic book, first book, without which account cannot be started. Fundamental book of double entry system, because we are talking here about double entry system. One account is debited, then other account must be credited. It may be personal, real or nominal, whatever situation may be there. But one account is debited, one account is credited. So try to understand. Real account. As per Kamal sir's rule, what we are thinking after reading question, after reading transaction. First thing, is it real account? If it is included in real account, then don't think about other account. If one is from real account, then think about other, second one nominal account, and third think about personal account. So here steps as per Kamal sir, first thing real, second thing nominal, and third thing personal account. And I know best practice is done in last chapter, so that this journal entry becomes easy to all of you. Now, in general book, this is the format which is maintained to write journal entry, and these rules are followed. Now sir, what is this? So first of all, we are understanding format of journal entry. And this format I am explaining you only once. From next lectures, never explaining you format of journal entry. Going ahead. In this format, first column is made for date. On which date transaction done? That date is written. Then after particular, in this particular we are writing journal entry. Means first debit, then credit, that we are writing. Third column, LF number, ledger folio number. Now sir, what is mean by ledger folio number? That I am explaining you in next chapters. Because in next chapters, there is one chapter which is ledger posting. In that chapter, I will explain you about ledger folio number. Here I am telling you only one thing. This is the page number on which this journal entry is posted. Just explaining you one thing, ledger folio number, it means page number on which this journal entry is posted. That is the concept. But detail we'll see in that lecture, in that chapter. Now debit amount and credit amount we are writing here. So in accountancy, most important thing is format also. If we are doing journal entry, at that time format is must be compulsory to draw perfectly. Even heading of this is also very important. For whom we are writing journal entry, that is also very important one. So in heading, Journal Book of Sri, Journal Book of Sri blank. For whom we are writing journal entry? Suppose Sai Krupa Group Tuition. So Journal Book of Sri Sai Krupa Group Tuition. Gayatri Store. Journal entry of Sri Gayatri Store. Simple. So in this way we have to write journal entry and journal heading. So Journal Book of Sri blank, whatever you want to write you can. Format, say date, particular, LF, debit and credit. Date, particular, LF, debit and credit. This columns we need to prepare. This is for amount column, this is for page number, in which we are not writing anything in this chapter. Because without preparing ledgers, we cannot write page number. On which page number we have post this journal, that page number is written here, but we are not writing, we are not preparing ledgers, so we are not writing any page number here. That's why it is always dash, but we have to prepare column. We have to prepare column, that is fixed. And date, simple. So going ahead and by different transactions and applying these rules. First we are applying this, second we are applying this, and third we are applying this. On that basis, we are writing journal entry. So here I am starting with illustration number 1, which is the basic sum, easiest sum, and how we can write journal entry, that we are seeing now. So reading first. Illustration number 1, in which record the following transaction in the Journal Book of Priya. Now sir, here name is given. We are writing Journal of Priya. So Journal Book of Sri Priya. This is the important one. Journal Book of Sri Priya. Then after I am preparing columns. So column first column date, then particular, LF, date, debit and credit. Now reading ahead. 2014 March 1. Now March 2014 information given. So March month information is given. So I can also write here. March 14 or 2014, you can write in that way also, because here information is for March month only. So in heading I can write March 14. Otherwise, if proper month is not given, mixed information is given, then we have to write different dates. Here month is common, that's why we are writing only month commonly. Going ahead and reading first number, adjustment. Now on first date, so date 1. On 1st March, one transaction is done. One transaction is done. Now first transaction, goods of rupees 5,000 is purchased on cash. Now, I want to clear one thing also on this basis. First of all, decide transaction is cash or credit. How I can decide? Sir, it is clearly given in transaction. It is cash or credit. That is clearly given. If clearly not given in transaction, then only apply your mind. If clearly not given in transaction, then apply your mind. If name of the person given, then it is a credit transaction. If name of the person not given, it's a cash transaction. So this concept is really clear to all of you because that is done in last lectures. Just repeating it. Going ahead. Goods of rupees 5,000 is purchased on cash. Now clearly given on cash. It means it's a cash transaction. That is fixed. Second thing, goods. Word is given. It means I am purchasing goods. So whenever I am purchasing, so paying money. So purchasing goods and paying money. So here real account is for goods and asset. Yes sir. And remember one thing. For goods we have 4 words. For goods we can use 4 words. Purchase, sells. Going ahead. Purchase, return. Sales, return. That's it. For goods, I can use only these 4 words. Other words I cannot use at all. Now here, goods purchase. So purchase account. If goods sell, sales account. Goods return to supplier. Purchase, return. Goods returned by customer. Customer return goods to me. Then sales return. That's it. If goes by any way. Goods goes by any way. Gone by any way. Then purchase credit. Purchase is used because purchase reduced. Whatever goods I have purchased, that is reduced. Goes out. Not getting anything. So, discussing later. Don't worry. What is the situation now? Goods purchase and cash pay. Nothing else. Sir, anything comes in? Yes, goods comes in. Comes in means debited? Yes, debited. But for goods we are using purchase. So purchase account debited. So you write on date 1. Here I am writing purchase account debit. Purchase account debit. What is the amount of purchase? So amount is given 5,000 rupees. So here I am writing 5,000 rupees. Simple. Now credit. Debit is there. Now think, anything goes out? Yes sir. Cash goes out. If cash goes out, then cash account credited. Cash is my asset and asset goes out, means credited. So to cash account. Now CR we are not writing. Just writing 5,000 in credit column. Just writing 5,000 in credit column. That's it. Now this is the way we have to write journal entry. If debit amount we are writing, debit account we are writing, it is start from beginning of the column. And if we are writing credit side item, credit side amount, then leave some space, then write account. So this is the way in which we can write account. Now one most important thing, narration. Narration means transaction information in short. That is also important one here. Here I am writing being. Now being the amount of purchase which transaction is it? It is a transaction of purchase, being the amount of purchase. In short, here we are writing information about the transaction, and that is compulsory to write. And if you are writing in this way, then and then only first transaction is completed, its ledger posting is done perfectly, first transaction is over. So what is the compulsory things? So first compulsory thing, write date. If you are writing debit amounts, then start from the beginning. If you are writing credit amount, leave space, then write debit, credit, debit amount, debit side, credit amount, credit side, and information related to transaction. And then after this transaction is completed, so my first transaction is completed. This is the proper way to write journal entry. This is the proper way. Now, I want to explain you one more thing. Today, I am doing this all the things properly. This is first and last time. After this lecture, I am not doing this properly. Just writing journal entry, not writing narration. Narration is your homework. I am just explaining you about journal entry only. What is the narration? Short information related to transaction. If you cannot understand, how can writing short information write whole transaction in narration? Allowed. Because what is narration actually? Narration is information about the transaction only. That's it. Going ahead and doing next journal entry. Now March 4 date is given. On March 4, goods of rupees 8,000 is purchased from Nandan on credit. Now clearly given transaction is credit, it means we are not paying anything. But goods purchase, so sir, goods comes in. Goods purchase, goods comes in means debit. So purchase account debit, because for goods we can use purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return. That's it. So goods comes in, purchase account debited. But date is what? 4th March. So here I am writing 4. Again writing purchase. Purchase account debit. Now amount is given 8,000 rupees, sir. Debit, okay. Debit, okay. Now anything goes out? No, sir. Nothing goes out. So cancel it. Real account complete. And now think about nominal account. Expense loss. Is it expense? No, sir. Loss? No. Income gain? No. So cancel nominal account. Popatlal. Like Popatlal, cancel. Think about her personal account. Now think. Receiver or giver? receiver or giver? Sir, simple. I am purchasing goods and other party giving me goods. And name of party is given Nandan. Nandan giving goods. So he is giver. Giver means credit. Giver means credit. So I am writing here 2. Nandan account. Not writing CR. Directly credit side 8,000 rupees. And again, narration is compulsory. Being the purchase from Nandan. Purchase from Nandan. That's it. Complete. Going ahead, next transaction. Now, third transaction is on 7th March. Now, on 7th March, goods of rupees 4,000 is sold to Jigna. Goods of rupees 4,000 sold to Jigna. Now think. Here clarification given or not? Cash or credit? No sir, nothing is given. Then apply your mind. Name is given? Yes, name given Jigna. It means it's a credit transaction. If name not given, then cash transaction. Because clarification of transaction is not given. So, goods of rupees 4,000 is sold to Jigna. Now, sold goods goes out. Comes in or goes out? So goes out. Goes out means credit. But first we have to write debit thing, then credit thing. Leave space, then write to sales account. And amount is 4,000 rupees. So writing here 4,000 rupees. So credit is clear. And date is 7. Now, anything comes in? Cash comes in? No sir, here credit transaction, so nothing comes in. So, real account is checked. Now check nominal. Is it expense, income, loss, something? Nothing. Cancel it. Cancel. Now going ahead. Personal account. Receiver or giver? Think. I am selling goods. Somebody is receiver. Here Jigna is receiver. Receiver means debit. So I can write here Jigna account debit. Shall we know amount is 4,000 rupees? So write down 4,000. I can write here also being what being the goods sold to Jigna. Completed transaction. Now going ahead. After 7, 12 date. Commission received rupees 200. Commission received 200. Received means what? Received. What comes in? Commission comes in? No, sir. Commission is the income, name of income. Commission is the name of income. It cannot be come in. Cash comes in. So comes in, asset comes in, cash account debited. Cash account debit. So writing date first, date 12. Cash account debit. How many rupees cash? Sir, cash 200 rupees. Writing here 200. So debit is clear. Now anything goes out. So nothing goes out. Here received, complete. Real account is completed. Going ahead, talking about nominal account. Now think, is it income or expense? Sir, income. Commission receipt, it means it's my income. Income is credit. Income is credit. Now what is the name of income? Sir, commission. Commission income. So commission account credit to commission account and writing 200 rupees being the commission received, which is the transaction. Sir, commission transaction is completed 200. Now I don't have a space to write. So want to explain you one more thing. And for that I am preparing here this columns. Say, because there may be possible you are writing journal entry and your first page is completed, then you have to write remaining transactions on next page. Then what you are doing? That I am showing to all of you here. See, again we have to prepare date, particular, ledger folio number, debit, credit. Whenever you are writing journal entry, this is compulsory to prepare. Compulsory. Journal book of Sri Priya, that is the heading. Compulsory we have to write. Because here one more transaction is given in March month. So that we have to write. Now this is my first page, this is my second page. Then what you are doing? So make total of both the sides and it must be equal. Because amount which is debited, same amount is credited. Always, at last, we have to prepare two lines because it is complete. Making total 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17,200. So writing here. Same way credit side. Now what I am writing against it. So here against it we are writing Bala City. What I am writing? Bala City. Sir, what is mean by Bala City? What is mean by Bala City? Balance carry down. Balance carry forward. Bala CF. So this balance is carried forwarded to next page. And here I am writing Bala PD 17,200. This I am carry forwarding from here to here. Now writing journal entry for 15 days. Because first date, 4th date, 7th date, 12th date, now 15 days. But this is the carry forwarded amount from the last page. So this total we are carry forwarding here. That is very most important one. Most important. Last adjustment. Wages expense paid 150. So I am paid wages to some other person. Now think, anything comes in? No sir, nothing comes in. Anything goes out? Yes, goes out. What goes out? Cash. Goes out means credit. So, to cash account, amount is 1. So comes in, goes out, check. Now expense income. Yes sir, wages means expense. Wages is paid, means it's my expense. Expense debit. So what is the name of expense? Sir, wages is the name of expense. So I have to write here wages. Wages account debit, and amount is same, 150 rupees. Simple. Now all the transactions completed in illustration number 1. All the transactions. So if all the transactions completed, then narration being wages paid. Now see, if my sum is complete in first page, then I am making double line. But here sum is continued till other page. Sum is not completed here. So this line we are not preparing. We are preparing only one line. So total we are making, but only one line is prepared. Because it is continued to next page. If sum completed, then double line. Now going ahead, carry forwarded here. Second, now my sum is completed. So now I can make double line at last. Double line means end of the sum. One line means it is continued to next page. That is also very important. Now make total simple. 17,200 means 17,350. 17,350. Total. Simple. So in this way, my one sum is completed. If you are feeling journal entry is very hard, then please see my last lectures and then apply these rules. Then after see this lecture, definitely you feel account is very easy, journal entry is very easy. Because explanation made by Kamal sir. So meet you in next lecture with new topics. Bye bye.